reason.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. My name is Dorinda. As you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a press-on nail tutorial today. This is just a very cute, simple design that you can do all by yourself. So if you like sets like this, then make sure you keep on watching. So as you guys can tell, I have already prepared my nails. I have sized them and I'll be going in with a base coat. Before I applied my base coat, I had already prepped the nails by using some acetone to create some texture. I personally don't like using a buffer over the nails simply because I hate dust. No matter how much you brush away, you can never get rid of the dust whenever you buff the nails. So I just personally like using some acetone to create some texture, and then I applied my base coat. So next I will be painting my nails with this nude color. So I created this color myself. I just had one of my brown polish mixed with some base coat, and that was the color that came out. However, the color didn't come out exactly how I wanted it after curing. I don't know what happened under the lamp. I couldn't tell you what happened, but it just came out looking very different. You guys are gonna see in a bit, but I just made sure that I painted 3 of the nails. So I painted the thumb, the middle finger, and the pinky finger. So those are gonna be my natural base colors. So you guys can see this did not turn out well. This did not turn out the color that I wanted. So I went in and used like a natural pink on the nails. It just for it to just have a bit of color, have a bit of, you know, blush to it. So that's what I went ahead and done. I painted over this whole entire nail just like I did. It's almost like a second layer, but with a different color, okay? Because the first one just didn't turn out right. So I painted over this and I cured for 60 seconds. Then I'll be using a black gel polish. This one is from Diva, and I painted all over the 2 remaining fingers. So that is the index finger and the ring finger. So I painted over those with black, and don't forget the sides because I do sometimes. So make sure that's all covered and you're good to go. So now this is what the nails are looking like, but we're not done, okay? We're going to be taking that black again, and we're going to be taking a fine liner brush, and we're going to be creating a smile line on the pinky and the thumb. Okay, so the thumb and the pinky are going to get a smile line, a French smile line, and I'm using my A method. So I draw like an upside down A, and then I go in to connect the sides. So this is how I do it. This is how I prefer to do it. You can do your French however you like, because I know some people like to paint it on and then clean it, but this is just what makes sense for me. Okay, so instead of using like a fine liner brush to fill in the whole thing, you can just go in and paint the rest. And I'm doing the same thing on my thumb. Just create one line on the side, another line on the other side. Connect those lines together where you want your smile line to be, and then you can curve the sides and make it less straight. So you save yourself a lot of time, a lot of confusion, a lot of mess. Okay, so that's how I do my smile lines. So now that that is cured, it's giving clean, it's giving sharp, it's giving perfection. I will be going ahead and using a matte top coat on the middle finger. So the middle finger is going to be matte, and then I'm going in with that black again, and I'll be creating just, you know, some wiggly lines, thick ones though, very thick. and I will be just following my natural pattern of mind. Okay, I had nothing to reference this off. Like, I just thought, oh, let me just, you know, just draw some lines and see how it goes. And truly, that's the honest truth. So just try and just follow your own instincts. Don't think too much into it. Just draw your lines however you want it. I was going for like a stem or like a vein vibe, so that's what I went with today. So after that's been cured, I went in and used my golden chrome powder. So if you watched my video from last week, I bought some new chrome powder, and this is what I used today. And I made sure I clean any excess that was remaining. After doing that, I made sure I top coated it just to make sure everything is fine and nothing's going to be disturbed as I do the rest of the nails. So that finger is now done. We will not be doing anything to that finger anymore. And then I also went ahead and top coated the 2 black fingers and the black smile line, because those are going to be in chrome as well. I hope you guys are going to take some time out to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try my best to be as consistent as possible, so please do that. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and chrome everything that we have in black. Okay, so we're going to chrome the smile line, chrome the black nails, and just get all that chrome all up in there. Okay, don't miss out on any parts. And once you're done with that, just make sure you clean your excess. I personally like to use acetone because it really gets rid of it. And then now we're going to be putting some nail embellishments, and I'll be using some gold dots. They're like round dots, and I have them in different sizes. I started with the big ones, and I went ahead and added some little ones as well. And make sure you cure this before moving on to the next one, because those stones will move. Okay, so make sure you cure everything before you move on to the next finger. Now I'm going to be applying some charms, just something little, nothing crazy. I used the crystal in the middle, and then I added some dots of, like, I don't know what these are called, but if you guys can see, I didn't cure fast enough, and my dots moved. Okay, they moved, and that's just what we have to deal with when we are doing nails sometimes. But I didn't want to give up. My normal perfectionist self would just throw this whole thing away, but I said no, I worked too hard on this and I will be posting it. So I took them off my nail display, and I started shaping and filing and making sure everything is sharp. Okay, you don't want to send your clients bulky nails. Okay, we don't want that. We don't like her. So sharpen the edges and the tips. Now that's done. Nice, looking good. So now I will be showing you guys how I ship off my nails to my clients. So I've always wanted to have supreme packaging when it comes to my press-on nails. So I place them on this little clear tab. Make sure I clean off any dust or any excess. And then this is my nail display container type thing. I love this thing. I think it's the cutest thing ever. And then I just place it in there, and then I shut it, and it's just like it's like a saran wrapping thing. Okay, it's so cool, it's so lovely. I can't wait to keep like buying more, because I just think it's classy. Okay, it's giving class, it's giving bougie, it's giving I'm expensive. So, and I feel like if a celebrity was to get one of these, they would be like, oh, this is really nice. Like, So that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.